O partigiano, porta-me via. Bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao,
Hey guys,
partigiano.
this is Abhijit Patnaik and welcome back to my channel. It's been quite a long time and I haven't uploaded any technical videos on the channel. But as you have seen, that last few of my videos were related to my vlogs. One of them was related to my house tour and the other was related to life of a data scientist, how I live, how my day-to-day activities are and all those things. Right. Now, in this video, we are back to action. We are back with some technical contents. And in this video, I shall be showing you one of the dashboards being created by one of my LinkedIn connections. I'll talk about his profile for sure. But before getting started, I want to talk on some generic concepts. I hope everybody knows about a recent show which has come to Netflix, Money Heist, season 5. Everybody knows, right? I'm pretty much sure you might be already seeing it or you might have already seen it. I have watched couple of seasons and I really like it, right? And I know it's one of the highest rated TV shows, not exactly a TV show, but a Netflix show. And many people love it. Many people like it. Many people love it. Now, why am I talking about Money Heist? I thought I was talking about Power BI, right? But why Money Heist? Well, this video is again going to be on Power BI, but it's a fun dashboard, a fun report which has been created by one of my LinkedIn connections. I'll definitely talk about him, but this video is all about Money Heist and Power BI. I'm quite excited to show you the dashboard, guys, because the moment I saw that dashboard which was created by him, by the candidate, I was really happy. So we'll talk about each and every details, how he has created the project, who is he, and what the dashboard is all about. Let's get started. So let's get started with the Power BI dashboard. And as you can see on the screen, we have the Money Heist dashboard. So it has a lot of information. It has all seasons view and it also has Money Heist Gang. Definitely, guys, this is just for fun. But as you can see, a lot of efforts has been put by the creator. Now, who is the creator? As I already told you, he's one of my LinkedIn connections, one of my friend. His name is Mr. Rakesh. As you can already see in the screen, dashboard professor is Rakesh. Let me quickly walk you through his profile. Rakesh, who has more than 11 years of industrial experience, as you can see, is currently working as a cloud services and support lead in Line Data. Before that, he has also worked as an assistant manager in JLT Group, and you can see his particular profile. He started his career as a business analyst. Now, how I know him is through my LinkedIn connections. We were connected from couple of weeks, couple of months, and I got him through some Power BI contest or something. I saw Rakesh's entry and I saw that it was really good. And then I approached him, hey, can you provide some dashboard where we can share it with our crowd, with our students, and they will be beneficial. And that's where I got this particular dashboard. Of course, there are more information, more dashboards being created by Mr. Rakesh. So he will also be giving us a lot of contents in the near future. But as of now, we can get started with the dashboard. In case you want to connect him, his link will already be in the description below. You can check it out. He is quite experienced in Power BI and in various other stuffs. So in case you have any questions, anything, you can reach out to him as well. But yeah, I cannot guarantee if he's going to reply or not, as he's a busy man. But we don't know, right? Let's try it out. So moving on to the dashboard. So this is on app.powerbi.com. I already have the desktop version open, but I have already published this particular report. So this is how the Power BI dashboard looks like when it comes to desktop. But there are so many hidden information, so I don't want to walk you through this one. It will be a little bit confusing. That is the reason I have it published, and I'm going to go do a walkthrough on the app.powerbi.com itself. So we'll start with all seasons view. Let's see what all information we have. So of course he might have used a drill through. So like when I'm clicking on this particular button, I'm getting a link, a separate page. So let me show you. If I click on all seasons view, it's going to season 1. Okay, and you can see multiple tabs here: season 1, season 2, season 3. So for each season he has a card, he has a report, and he's using as a drill through probably. Okay, and once you click on different seasons, you can see multiple information on this particular pages. So season 3 information, overall rating is provided, what is the story, and I think he's scraping the data from IMDb itself. And this is how for each season, what are the different episode ratings. So he has created a line chart to show the ratings. And as you can see, all the episodes are also mentioned here in each season. You can go back to each episode to check what each one of them means. Okay, on air, what is the watch time, what is the IMDb rating, and so on. Similarly, you can go through multiple other seasons. And then if I'm going back to the main page, I'll take you to the next page, which is Money Heist Gang. You can see all the characters are there, and everybody knows about Professor, right? I hope if you know, if you have seen Money Heist, you will definitely be knowing about all these characters. My personal favorite is Professor, right? So Professor, Palermo, all these characters are there, and in case you want to check their individual character biography, you can click on this link, and then you will be able to get all these links. So these are all text images. Oh, he has used some feature here. So all this information probably are coming from IMDb itself. So this is a very fun project. I mean, if you ask me, what's the learning here? So the you always wish need not have to work on, project level kind of stuff. Let's say you are working on banking projects or insurance projects. You shouldn't work on these things every time, right? Sometimes you have to follow your passion. If your passion is for Power BI and something else, let's say you watch some series like Money Heist, you can create something like this. And whenever you create something, whenever you work on some project, there is definitely a good learning which you get, right? So this is all about the project. A lot of information are already given here. You can check out the PBIX file to know more about this and to see what all features has been used and make use of it. So I simply like this particular project. It's really well done, clean, and definitely it's a must for all the Money Heist lovers. And it's a very good attempt done by Rakesh. That was the main reason why I wanted to showcase this particular project on the channel. Of course, there will be so much interesting projects coming soon in the channel as well. And for this particular project, that's it from my side. Enjoy this video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Take this PBIX file, try to do some in-depth digging, try to check what has been done, and if you want, you can implement it by yourself for some of your favorite seasons, right? Simply, most of the seasons are available on IMDb. Let's say you are a fan of Pokemon, right? So you can definitely get information from different pages. Do data scraping. In order to do data scraping, you need to know about Selenium or some sort of data scraping libraries. But if you are done, you can simply use that data and start creating something. So that's it about today's video. If you like it, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll be coming up with a lot of videos very soon. Stay tuned. Please press the bell icon as well to get notified on my videos. And one more announcement, very small announcement, not a big one. I have recently started my own vlogs channel because some people told that it's your professional channel, why are you uploading vlogs here and all those things. That was the main motive, that I thought, okay, let's have a separate channel for vlogs. So if you like my vlogs, I'll definitely leave that channel link as well in the description below. However, at the moment, there are no videos on this channel, but I'm planning to put more and more videos as well. That's it from my side, guys. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.